Hey guys, it's Adri with Usborne Books and More, and today we have Little Red Riding Hood, the Peek Inside Fairy Tale. These are my favorite. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know how much I love the Peek Insides. Oh, just so cute. Uh-oh, who's there in the bushes? It's Big Bad. Oh, he's going inside. Grandmother? Oh, what big teeth you have. Oh no. They're there. Help, help. And yes, he saves them. Yay. So super pretty. Love. Look, you can see the bunny. A few pages in. Look at all those pages. Oh, and there you finally see him. I don't know. I love these. Just super pretty. Really well made. Nice big flaps, and even though they're all cut out, they're still really sturdy. So they are designed for the little ones in mind. So there we have it. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.